Hi guys, welcome back to Clumsy Cakes. My name is Amy. So today on the channel we're going to be making some peanut butter fudge with some chocolate swirl and some crushed up candy canes on top. So let's get started. Whoops. First thing we're going to do is grab a 8x8 inch baking dish and spray that with nonstick spray and then line it with parchment paper. I do it both ways so that nothing sticks to the bottom and the fudge comes out cleanly. And then I just took one single candy cane and put that into a plastic bag and then used my meat tenderizer on the flat side to bash that up into some coarse crumbs. Some dust is pretty unavoidable and it's fine, but you want to make sure that you get some bigger pieces in here, not too big, but just enough to be able to see that this is candy cane. Now we're going to put together our actual fudge. I have some peanut butter, some butter, and some sweetened condensed milk in here in a double boiler. Just melting that down until I get an even mixture. And all of the measurements and ingredients will be on my blog, www.clumsycakes.com, and I'll link that in the description. Now we're just simply taking that peanut butter base and laying that in the pan and flattening it out smooth the best that we can. You can use an offset spatula for this or the back of your spoon, whatever works for you. Now we're just going to make the chocolate swirl portion of this fudge. We're just going to take some semi-sweet chocolate chips, some sweetened condensed milk, and then some butter, and just mix that all up in a double boiler until it is all melted and combined and smooth. Now we're just going to take that chocolate fudge mixture and dollop that mixture on top of the peanut butter mixture, all over the top, just kind of irregularly putting it around. And then we're just going to take a butter knife or offset spatula or whatever you feel comfortable using and just swirling that as much or as little as you want to get that pretty marbly design on top. And then we're just going to scatter our candy cane pieces all over the top. What I did is I only crushed up one candy cane because I just wanted it to be a small hint of the candy cane flavor. But if you want more, you can absolutely do more. And then you're just going to stick this into the fridge for about 2 hours to set. And if it's still a little bit soft after it has set in the fridge for 2 hours, you can put it into the freezer to set for an additional hour, and it should be firmer after that. And here it is, guys. Fast, easy, delicious chocolate fudge. I know the holidays can be extremely stressful and there's so much to do. So if you're looking for a fast, easy, delicious dessert recipe, chocolate fudge is definitely the way to go. One of my favorite things about this recipe is that the flavors can be switched up so easily. You could do a mocha fudge, a peanut butter and chocolate like I did, a caramel fudge. You could do butterscotch. You can add things to this fudge like nuts or any type of dry fruit or M&Ms. There are so many different options that you could do with this. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to leave me a like down below. And while you're down there, don't forget to leave me any suggestions for what you would like to see next. And subscribe to the channel to make more messes with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!